So, now we're going to put the rear wheel back on. Be sure to clean your this and this part also, so it sits perfectly on the bike. Hop, turn it around. Turn the bead around. Here we have my nuts. It is Torx 50. What I always do, make sure it's in gear. Kijk, otherwise it starts to turn when you get the rear wheel on. Deze even kijken zo. Hopefully stays there. Oh. Kunnen allemaal hoor. Die weg. Zo. Easy as Dell. Up. Yes. Then his brothers. So, up. Up. And then this one. Zo. Op. Even kijken. You need to torque them crisscross. They need to be torqued at 60. So I first put it on, let's say halfway, 30. Hop, die. So, die. Die. Die and die. Now I'm sure the rim, as we call it I guess, is settled nice in place. And I'm gonna get it at 60 Newton meters, and that's over, oh, too far. Over here. Now, that's one torqued. Oh, die overdrijven, hè? This one torqued. This one torqued. Up. This one torqued, and the last one torqued. So to be sure, nice, 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 nice. Hoppa! Job done. feel if there is any play. There is play, but it's because the whole fucking damn thing is here wiggling. Gonna take care of that. Now,